Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the recreational vehicle industry, the upcoming 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome Royalty is the pinnacle of mobile luxury and advanced engineering. This motorhome is expected to provide an unmatched experience, fusing luxurious living with Mercedes-Benz well-known performance and safety standards, building upon the company's illustrious history of automotive excellence. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome Royalty's appearance is anticipated to radiate aerodynamic efficiency and subtle grace. The car will probably have seamlessly integrated features like panoramic windows, covertly located service connections, and advanced lighting systems that improve both appearance and functionality. It will be distinguished by its clean lines, high-end finishes, and the recognizable Mercedes-Benz star. Lightweight but sturdy materials will probably be given priority in the construction, which will improve structural integrity and fuel efficiency. The Motorhome Royalty's interior is intended to be a haven of custom luxury. The living area will probably have finely designed interiors with expensive materials like exotic hardwoods, beautiful leathers, and high-end linens. It is anticipated that the arrangement will be carefully planned to optimize both comfort and space, possibly incorporating elements such as electrically expanding slide-out sections to increase the living area. Without a doubt, cutting-edge features will be incorporated, including a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line equipment, an opulent bathroom with fine fixtures, and an advanced entertainment system with seamless connectivity. Mercedes-Benz cutting-edge automotive technology will support the 2026 Motorhome Royalty's driving experience. A sturdy Mercedes-Benz chassis is expected to serve as its foundation, providing a smooth and elegant ride. A strong but efficient engine and an advanced gearbox system will probably make up the powertrain. Additionally, safety and usability will be given first priority with the addition of Mercedes-Benz state-of-the-art driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and sophisticated braking systems. The name's royalty notion conveys an unrelenting dedication to offering a luxurious and remarkable travel experience. This suggests that every element of the motorhome's construction and design, from the caliber of the materials to the smooth incorporation of technology, was carefully considered. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome Royalty is expected to serve a discriminating customer base that expects the utmost in comfort, luxury, and performance from their leisure activities. In summary, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome Royalty is expected to represent the height of luxury automobiles and leisure living, functioning as a mobile estate rather than merely a car. This motorhome is set to revolutionize the norms of luxury leisure travel by skillfully fusing Mercedes-Benz engineering expertise with luxurious design and cutting-edge technology, providing an experience worthy of its regal moniker.